Hi, and welcome to oceanai. Just wanted to do a quick market update today on a few of these things we're looking at. Firstly, with the S&P, yesterday didn't do a lot. Just sort of chopped around a bit, and we just edged higher today. So now we're looking at the ABCD up into the 382% of that high on Friday. This is where I think we need to be short because we've had not much of a rally in this. If it was going to be bullish at all, we'd see probably more of a push. But because it's been so slow, as we need to be short here, so I'll put an order in here shortly at 40.83. There's two options here with a stop loss. We can just have a 8 to 10 point stop loss here. Going to the fact that the 382 will hold and it'll drop from there. Or the other option is to have a bigger stop up beyond the 4100. I think I'll just do a small one to start with. And then if it works, 382s generally tend to work straight away. And if it doesn't, and it goes through there and up through 4100, then I'll be looking at this space up here. Probably around 4110 to 4120 to short that. But as it stands for now, I need to look for a short trade here. I'll post that in the group shortly. We look at the Dow here. Dow's the same. The ABCD on the Dow here is at 32.49, which is this one here. 382 is a bit higher, up at 32.526. So this is really a sell zone, similar to the S&P. The S&P is a lot closer to the 382. So that's that one. If we look at the NASDAQ, NASDAQ's just completed the ABCD in here. So it'll be interesting to see what this one does now. The 382 is high here at 12,700. So ideally would like to see it something like this up to there. And that would drag the rest of the market up for the S&P and the Dow to go up to where they need to go as well. So something to keep an eye on, but this is where we need to be getting short. So that's that one. Go on to the gold trade we're on now. Yeah, we entered here, got a nice Gartley down to 61% here. And now looking for the move higher up towards the 61% of this move. Take down a bit. Or the ABCD's up at 1754, which is by the 78%. So that's the levels I'm looking for on this one. Started all right. We only got a real small stop loss on this one because if this comes back down, takes out this low, then it's likely to go a lot lower. So if we take this pattern away, and I'll take this one away. What we do have here is a possible 135 pattern on the bearish side. So we've got the bullish pattern that we're in, but there's also the 135 pattern, which puts a 1 there, 3 here, and the 5 here. And that's that pattern there. Yeah, so that's the thing that'll stop. But if it stays down here, keeps going down, it means that we've got this bearish pattern in there, and we're likely to go lower. But as it stands, happy to leave the stop where it is, and we'll see where it goes. That's the gold. Move over to the Aussie, which has just been triggered. Yeah, nice setup here with the Aussie US dollar. So there was two places to get in here. The ABCD is actually up at 69.58, and there was a 61% here. So you've got this zone where it could turn, and also the 69.50, which is the 50 being a whole number. That's why I entered just below that. So we'll see how this goes. Stops up here, 34 points. So if it gets up above the 78%, could go a little bit higher and turn, but we'll see. I'll happy to leave it there. If it gets beyond the 78, then something's wrong. And yeah, hard to believe it's going to go up and take out these highs after this this big high and drop we had here on Friday. But yeah, anything's possible. So we'll leave that one at that. Go and check that AUD CAD. That didn't work. Yeah, really nice entry over here on Friday. And then I saw this morning. So if I get rid of this pattern, I saw this Gartley here this morning. I was thinking, oh, this could spell trouble. Came down just through the 78% there. And that's why I'm thinking we might just get to here and then it might sell off. But I decided to hold it because the obviously the long-term plan was to trade it down. We wanted to trade it down here somewhere. So, but it hasn't done that. It's gone straight through. So what was a 90-point lead down here, cut to 20. But sometimes these things happen. So yeah, that's how I looked at it and didn't work out, but still made money. So on to the next one. What else we got? That was it. Yeah. So we'll just see how these US indices play out tonight. We've got a AI turn point at 6 o'clock, so in about 2 hours. So the ideal scenario for that would be for the S&P to be up there. For this to come down here, then rally up to there. That's the ideal scenario. If we can get up there for 6 o'clock. Whether it's going to happen, not too sure. But anyway, yeah, that's how I'm looking at it. And we'll see how we go. Righto, that's it for now for the market update for today. I'll post a few more charts and things as we go on through the evening. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps. Cheers.